is all the latest news about AMD's upcoming GPU that is going to be targeted towards the more entry-level market. And that's of course talking about the 9060 and the 9060 XT. So without further ado, let's get straight to what you need to know and basically the latest news about this GPU. Now, let's be honest, I haven't been looking at the news for this GPU for the past 2 weeks. And funny enough, those past 2 weeks there has been tons of leaks and a lot of interesting details that was shown. Now, not only recently was this GPU basically leaked on some retailer websites, which is just interesting to see, especially with the one Brazilian retailer basically leaking the whole ASUS GPU lineup for the 9060, which, yeah, someone's gonna get fired for that. But we do have some information about when this GPU could be coming out and announcements for the GPU. Now, of course, we all knew that this GPU was going to be announced at Computex this year on May 21st, and obviously it was also to be expected to release in June. But it looks like it might be changing, especially with a lot of customers waiting for the likes of the RX 9070 GRE, which is actually expected to have the same performance as the AMD RX 7900, which is not bad. Now, recently some reports are actually pointing out that we could actually get the likes of the RX 9060 to basically be coming out a lot earlier than we expected. And it's actually been reported that we could get it sometime before the actual Computex showcase, which I do doubt to actually happen because, of course, I'm pretty sure AMD would want to actually announce this GPU at Computex. But I'll say if they do actually release this GPU exactly on May 21st as well, that'll also be a nice case scenario for a lot of users. I'll say when I was doing my research for this video, I saw there was apparently a lot of reports talking about that there will be no 8GB version of this GPU, and there will only be a 16GB version for the 9060. But apparently that was just a false rumor that was going around. So there will be an 8GB option, which will also be the more affordable option to go for. And for those who are wanting to get more performance with the 9060, you'll also get the option to go for 16GB, which I'll definitely say would be a good option to go for a lot of those who are wanting to have a budget-friendly GPU that does have some performance. Although so far the announcement for this all new GPU is expected to still be on May 21st. It will be very interesting to see what the performance of this GPU will actually have in terms of going against the likes of course, NVIDIA and also Intel. But let me know in the comments below, are you waiting for this new GPU or are you waiting for any other GPUs that will be announced sometime this year? Because there is still a lot of GPUs coming from AMD and there might be some GPUs coming from NVIDIA or even Intel. But I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next video. Be safe as always and have a great day. Bye.